Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Yves Lamont, and I'm taking you inside KSC. As astronauts prepare for trips to destinations beyond low Earth orbit, their last steps before boarding an Orion spacecraft will be across the crew access arm on the mobile launcher. Earlier this year, the access arm was added to the mobile launcher, being prepared to support NASA's Orion spacecraft and Space Launch System rocket. Technicians and engineers in Exploration Ground Systems at the Kennedy Space Center recently tested the crucial arm, confirming it worked as designed. The operation determined the functionality and integrity of the crew access arm in supporting mobile launcher systems. On August 17, aeroshells for the Ascent Abort-2 Flight Test rolled out from the Vehicle Assembly Building to Space Launch Complex 46 at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. The aeroshells used in pathfinding activities will encompass the entire solid rocket motor used for the Ascent Test booster. Scheduled for April next year, the Ascent Abort-2 Flight Test will verify the launch abort system can steer the Orion crew module to safety in the event of an incident shortly after liftoff. And remember, Spaceport magazine digs deeper inside KSC.